Well, it's my Monday morning when it's actually Wednesday. It's been about 10 days since I've been back to work, since I took a holiday. I started this job at a little after 10 this morning, now 12:30, and I think I just cracked it. Um, I got this thing in here and I was hitting it with my hammer and it was moving a little bit, so I think I can get it out now. Now, I used a combination of things. I used this drill bit, I used this longer drill bit I have. I used the chisel bit. I need a longer, this is too short for getting down in these holes, so I actually use these drill bits as chisels too a little bit, but I did a lot of drilling down in that hole, and what happens is the dirt goes in the fan and it blows it right back in your face. This doesn't like dirt in there, but this is bought specifically for just doing these jobs, and it's not only like maybe 50 quid. So, if it lasts 2 or 3 years before the dirt eats it up, then that's fine. Get another one. And then I've been using the vacuum to get down in the cracks, because the wider you open it, the more stuff you have to take out, and I can't hardly get my trowel in there anymore. It's usually better if you go ahead and open it wide enough for whatever tool you're going to use to get in there. But this had a hell of a lot of cement, concrete in there. So then I'm listening to a UFO story on Ultimate Art Bell on Simple Radio, and they're talking. It's a place in America, in the U.S., and they got some recalls of lights in the sky, and they started laughing at the people, saying, "Yeah, you're full of it." And then they got more calls, and they went out there and they actually saw the thing. They've been looking at it for 15, 20 minutes now, and they still can't figure out if it's a light. The guy's looking at it with binoculars. He's not describing any structure. It's just a light that seems to be actually just sitting still. Some people say it has a flame out the back, but anyway, that's what's keeping me going this morning. So to get this thing out now, then I'll head off to Fencing Products Limited in Winners, get a new post. Before I put the new post in, it'll be treated timber, but I'll take a minute and put some sort of sealant. I think what I might use is wood hardener, and plasticize the bottom part of this thing, give it a really good exterior. Maybe right at the ground level where they seem to go rotten, because you can see below it's still pretty good, and above it's still pretty good. So right at ground level is where this stuff needs to be applied. And if you didn't have anything, if you just took some plastic or something maybe and wrapped it around there, I don't know. Seems like anything would be better than nothing, but sometimes the wrong thing's worse than nothing. Like plastic might trap moisture in there. I don't know. So anyway, that's where we are. 2.5 hours, and I still haven't got it out. And back to my UFO stories.